It could be like a global pandemic, but...
It is a global pandemic.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Monday, March 16th, I believe, and we are running out from Shroud Key, trying to navigate through the shallow waters here. Luckily, we have Wild Intrepid in front of us, who has charts that are completely different from ours. We just ran over a patch that looked like it was going to be 3.3 feet. Turned out to be 9, so that was good. And we're doing a decent speed sailing at 7.5 knots, so.
Sorry, I can't focus right now. Zigzagging coral heads. Alright, so we have made it just outside of Wardrick Well at a little key. I don't really know if there's a name for these keys. Malabar Key, actually. I guess it's a group of like 7 keys just on the leeward side of Warwick Key. We're kind of secluded out here, and there's supposedly some little coral patches that we might dive on and check out. And our buddy boat actually is coming in right now, so we're did a nice, I think it turned into 22 miles total, and hopefully we get a nice, we could stay here actually, and there'll be a nice uncrowded anchorage for once. So yeah, here we are. Teresa's downstairs making lunch, hopefully. I'm not sure what we're down to. I know we're out of fish. What are you doing?
I'm making lunch. Hot dogs.
I wanted filet mignon.
And potato something, french fries-ish.
French fries and hot dogs. We're eating healthy here on Vinyasa. And there they go. No engine, no problems. Sailing on and off the anchor. There it goes. Now the anchor's set. Good job, guys. Beautiful. All right, so we just got done outside of Malabar Key. Diving was great. Got to finally pet a nurse shark. It's the next morning. We ended up passing out. And we're about to take off and head down to the rocky dundas. Our friends are just taking off now. They're pulling up anchor. And we're gonna do the same. So stand by.
So, status right now is everybody's freaking out because of the coronavirus.
Which we have no idea about. It could be like a global pandemic, but...
It is a global pandemic.
Oh, it is?
Yes, but with, like, you see certain things on Facebook, but that's pretty much it. And then worried parents is the other, which we are in the safest place probably on Earth right now. We are not even going ashore to do anything.
No, I don't
Haven't
need
in the last like 2 weeks, apart from exploring a jungle.
to. Yeah.
So yeah.
We're like the, what's that movie? Waterworld.
Don't worry about us. We have a lot of mayo, a lot of chicken, even have lettuce. So right now we're good. So unless one of us gets sick from a fish having this virus, I don't see us
Sick it to you.
getting it. We're all well. My birthday is tomorrow. Cora's birthday is
The next day.
The next day. So we're, I don't know what you guys are planning, but it better be big.
Well, we can't really go to land or do anything else, so I figured I'd bring her a lobster for breakfast.
That was my only wish this year. Our next salad would be lobster again. Oh yeah.
Alright. So we are motoring over to the rocky dundas now, just on the other side of Fowl Key. I think there should be some underwater caves, I believe. The tide's a little high right now, and they say check them out at low tide, but I think we're good enough divers. What a good place to run away from the coronavirus. We're in the rocky dundas! And it's really rough! Alright, how was it?
Oh wow, that was
It's a
so
little bit rough.
really, really cool.
But-
It looks like you can't get in there because of the little gap. It's like mid-tide. Current's a little strong. There's a lot of waves. But wasn't that bad, honestly. The light in there is just amazing. It's amazing what nature can do.
All right, we have set sail once again, headed off to this coral patch that should be within, I don't know, we're seeing anywhere to 16 foot of water, and it says numerous coral heads, and it's just off Pipe Key, so fingers crossed we get a good dive and a few fish to eat on tonight. Stay tuned.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy. I'm tired of waiting, 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 waiting.
got back. We ended up skipping reefs, going out to one that's kind of out in the middle of the water, and just to get a little bit of dinner for the night. A nice mutton snapper, and we also have what I believe is a schoolmaster that Corey over here on Wildly Intrepid shot. So we'll have both and get to taste test them in a taco. Here is Sailing Vinyasa and Wildly Intrepid on the fish tacos.
Don't quench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end.